started on the B team. They call it the meat squad. I took a lot of punishment as my freshman year. I made my way up. I would call it wingback by the time the season started. I was a wingback as a freshman, but as a freshman, usually we run the ball a lot. So at least as a wingback, that's a third running back on the team. So that I get every touch I get. I did great. So after a while, they moved me to halfback. Maybe they want me to touch the ball more. So that's how I just luckily moved slowly. I didn't become a running back right off the bat.
So was that a position you wanted to play, or the coaches just said you're a good fit for running back?
I think as a player, you don't really say, well, I want to play running back or wing back or wide receiver. It's more like, well, where would they put you? You try to make the best of it because you don't have a lot to say. In practice, I make sure I punish people. I might be on the meat squad, but I'm 100%. Back in the day, you could use your helmet and just go for the knee. I don't care how big you are.